Yo, attention credit repair hustlers. I just got done with a hike, and on the hike, my buddy that was utilizing the credit repair blueprint, he called me up. He was like, "Yo, Blade, I just made $5,500 within the past 2 weeks," and he was shocked. He told me he felt like Ric Flair. Okay, I know for a fact you all can do that. Matter of fact, I know at least you can get your first client within 2 weeks, and I challenge you to do so. So what I want to offer you guys are 2 weeks for free of Go High Level. I want to offer you my snapshot. I want to offer you everything I have so that you have the best chances of getting your first client within the next 2 weeks. That being said, after this video, it's going to be a 20, maybe 30-minute video that I want you to watch. It's going to be a quick webinar that's going to explain everything that comes along and everything that you have to do with absolute detail. So make sure you watch this little video that's going to pop up right after I'm done talking, and watch that 20, 30-minute webinar to explain everything that we have to offer so that you have no surprises, and then take on that 2-week challenge. And of course, if you have any questions, always book a call with me down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out or develop some strategy with you. Once again, guys, to your success, and I know you can get your first client within the first 2 weeks. Peace out, guys. See you there.